what language should I choose for creating a YouTube channel? कौन सी भाषा मुझे चूज करना है यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिएट करने में ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು all the people who are about to start a YouTube channel would be having this question, correct? Should we create a YouTube channel in English, should we create in Hindi, or should we create in our own regional language? I had this question earlier too. Now when I had my initial journey with YouTube, I thought it's always good to create a YouTube channel in English because it has a global reach. There are a lot of audience for that. But is it really true? I'm going to share some of the statistics so that you get a complete picture of it. Okay, so watch till the end so that you get a complete idea and you can make the right decision on choosing what language you are going to create a channel on. So the first and the most important thing is, what language are you really comfortable with? Some people are comfortable in speaking in their regional language. However, some people may be comfortable in either speaking in English or Hindi, because it matters the most on what language you are really comfortable with. Because when you are creating the videos, you got to be really comfortable. Only then your content will be put across in the best way. Okay, so make sure you choose the language that you are really comfortable with, correct? Now it comes to the point, what language should we really choose? Is this the only factor that we need to consider? Let me give some statistics so that you get lot more picture on it, correct? Now I have made some pointers, so let me quickly say that by the end of 2019 there were 1200 YouTube channels with more than 1 million subscribers. Among 1200, 120 YouTube channels were created by women. So that's 10% of the YouTube channels were created by women. So fantastic job there, correct? Now in 2018 we had total 300 YouTube channels with 1 million subscribers. So you could see the drastic growth in number of YouTube channels getting million subscribers. Now if you talk about based on the languages, based on some statistics what I have got, I would say Hindi and English have more than 100 YouTube channels which have got more than 1 million subscribers. I'm sure you all would be knowing that, correct? Now Tamil, as per 2019, 94 Tamil channels have more than 1 million subscribers, and the same in 2018 was 30 channels with 1 million subscribers. You could see that the number of channels getting 1 million subscribers in a regional language has been growing drastically. That means there are a lot of people who are preferring regional language contents as well, correct? Now if I talk about other languages, Telugu has more than 60 channels with million subscribers, and 35 channels for Bengali. So Bengali channels, more than 35 channels have more than 1 million subscribers, and Malayalam has more than 15 channels with million subscribers. In the same way, there are many other languages like Marathi, Kannada and things like that, which where some of the channels are moving towards million subscribers, and there are many channels in the regional languages which have more than 1 lakh subscribers. So what this indicates is people are also focusing a lot on regional language content. Now why do you think it would be the case? Because it could be easy for people to understand when it is put across in a regional language. There is some sort of connect when they hear it in the regional language, things like that, which help people to get easily connected, and they become loyal subscribers too. So that's how you could also focus creating your own content in your regional languages, and still there will be audience. So these are some of the statistics what I said about the number of channels having 1 million subscribers, which gives you an idea whether you can start a channel in your regional language or not. I think probably from 2018-19 there has been a drastic increase in the number of channels who are regional languages, and they have been growing fantastically. So you could certainly consider creating your content on your regional language as well, but do your little bit of research in your regional language and see the number of channels who have been scaling up well. So that will give you a lot more confidence in creating your content. And again, what matters the most is which is the language that you are really comfortable with. You got to create content in a language which you are comfortable with, so that you can really put it across well. Okay, and so this is my thoughts. Okay, so all the very best. and happy YouTube journey.